Hi, my name is Tatiana. Welcome to my channel created by Lady T. If this is your first time stopping by, in this channel I talk about quilting, crochet, sewing, and all related products, plus I give product reviews. This particular video is on the Bernina machine. It's the number 6 reason why you should get a Bernina sewing machine, where I have two Bernina machines. I have a 770 and a 480. And in this video, I am going to talk about this wonderful 34D foot that's made by Bernina. And D means dual feed because it's on a dual feed. It takes heavy pieces of fabric, such as fabric like this. If you've got fabric that is tough and heavy and you want to do decorative stitches, this dual feed foot will give you decorative stitches. But in addition to giving you decorative stitches, if you notice, the foot it's a clear plastic foot, and I will even point even lower. It has a little guide here for the middle. And so the nice thing about this foot is that you could see what you're doing and where you're going. And sometimes it's really important to do that. I used it on these wonderful trays that I made. They're fabric trays that I have a subscription to Bernina of Naperville, and it was their April quarter month project that I'll be talking about later in another video. But the nice thing is that I made these decorative stitches using that. And while I was stitching my my piece, I was able to see where I was going, and it gave me a really good path. Not only that, but because it's dual feed, I can use it on quilts and heavier pieces of fabric. And I'm going to give you a demonstration of how I use this on a recent quilt that I made that is particularly fun to do. And I just really love this foot. Now this 34 foot also comes in a C that I can use without dual feed, either on my 770 or my 480. So one of the really nice things about Bernina and the company and their sewing machines is that they offer so many varieties and versatility for their users that you can never go wrong. Like, you can never not find the right foot for your project. And it's always it's always a pleasant experience that if you can find the right foot for what you're doing, that's 50% of the work in sewing or quilting. So I found this foot to be particularly engaging and very well thought of by Bernina. And the fact that it's clear, I could see where I'm going. I can make a straighter edge. And I was really happy with this. And I'm going to show you how I used it on a quilt. So this is the 34D foot. So it's a clear open toe foot, and I just wanted to show you next to the 20D foot and the Bernina. So it looks just like the 20D, but it's the 34D foot, and it's open toe, but it's clear. So what I really love about my Bernina that I can use this is because sometimes I really need to see what I'm sewing on. So especially with the lines and everything. And this has a clear line here, so right there. So this one doesn't have that. It's all metal. See the difference between the two? And because it's D, it's dual feed, I can use it on heavy fabrics or quilting pieces. So this is another reason why I really love my Bernina. And I will demo how this works for you. Okay, so I have this piece here. This is my June Taylor Quilt As You Go quilt. And actually, I'm kind of breaking a lot of their rules. by doing this, because I'm overlapping the pieces that I'm going to sew on to go over like this. I'm kind of cheating their rules, but I want to see what I'm doing. So using this clear foot will help me guide me much better than if I used the metal foot. That's why I love the 34D foot. So as you can see, I have a better idea of what I'm sewing on because I have this clear foot, and I'm taking more than 1/4 inch. I know that. But you see, I can actually tell where I'm at with the edge over here. So because I have the clear foot, I'm able to see this part, and it's a D foot, so I can put it on this heavy material. And so this is one of the reasons why I love using the D foot on the Bernina, and I love this clear open toe. There's also a clear open toe C foot that doesn't take a dual feed, which is also a really nice feature to have. Okay, so here is what I ended up being able to do because I had that clear foot, and I was able to get this really nice straight edge over here and take the shortcut that I wanted to take. So I'm really happy how this turned out. Well, I hope, sorry, I hope you liked that demo, and I just wanted to show you how the quilt turned out. And actually this was designed by my students, and it came out really nice and straight with the edges. So there was a lot to think about with the lines, getting these lines nice and straight. So I was able to put this together and sew it for donating, which is what I do. I'm a college professor, and what I do is I donate quilts, and I have my students help design it, and it will be on my shorts so you can take a look at them, what I did. But I used this D foot, and this is actually a June Taylor Quilt As You Go project. So it's right here. You can take a look at it, and it came out wonderfully done, and the stitches are nice and straight in the back over here, and it's all because I use this foot. And I really think that Bernina is a winner with this foot because you can use it in so many different ways. I used it with the fabric trays that I worked on, and I'm sure I'm going to be using it for other projects in the future. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Send me a message telling me what you think. If you have a Bernina machine, put in the comments what kind of Bernina machine you have. I really like to hear. And also subscribe to my channel because I'm going to have a lot more fun things coming up very soon for you. Okay, bye for now.